Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. Today is Monday and it is time for a new strategy, and today's strategy is going to be about Nifty ORB trading strategy. Friends, this is best suited for working people, well, as all my strategies are for working people. Once again, I want to stress on this point that this strategy which you're going to learn today is perfectly for working people, because you don't have to spend much time. Very easy to place your order and very easy to place the stop losses, and the money management is perfect, the risk reward ratio is perfect, and as always I have done the back testing and I'm also going to show you the back testing. You can also take the data from me and you can start implementing the strategy from tomorrow itself, because there is no much risk. We'll be trading daily for a loss of around 30 to not even 30 points, it will be less than 30 points. So it is best suited, and I believe that most of you likes trading in Nifty and Bank Nifty. It can be used for both, but we will be looking into Nifty as of now. Okay friends, so without wasting much time, once again I would like to welcome you all to the Nifty ORB trading strategy. Stay tuned till end of the video to get full details. Okay, so before going forward, just want to give you an update about the options trading tactics which I am using. It's a 6 months training program. It is not a strategy, please, because strategy there are thousands available on YouTube or on Google. What we'll be learning is about the adjustments in this 6-month program. I'll be teaching you 1 or 2 strategies. Initially we'll be practicing it. Main part is about the adjustment. Remember the story of Chakravyuha which I told you. Entering the war or entering the trade is not important, because you can learn it. It's available in Google and everywhere. But how do you come out? How do you remain in profit? This is what you have to learn. Okay, so this options trading tactics is a 6 months program where we'll be learning about the adjustments. If you want to know more details about this program, you can just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. Okay, now coming to this strategy which we're going to discuss today. Most of the time people were asking me to come out to the strategy so that they can come across these kind of challenges, they can face these kind of challenges. So challenges where you are working professional and you don't have time to look into the system full time, you are always on the go and you have to keep trading. Yes, how do we do that? That was point number 1. Second was, with low margin, how do we do the trading? This is also something many people had a concern. Third, as always, we wanted safe and consistent returns. So keeping all this in mind, I have come out with this strategy. I have been testing it for some time, trying it, implementing it, and the profit was good enough. So that is why I thought I will share it to you today. Yeah. So going to the strategy, very simple. We are going to take out the 50-minute breakout of Nifty candle. So you all know that we have to do it in the Nifty futures. So we'll just do it with Nifty index and show it to you how it has to be done. We just have to do the 15 minutes breakout. But the catch here is that we will be buying at the high if the first 15 minutes candle is a green candle, and if the first 15 minutes candle is a red candle, then we will be selling at the low. That's it, very simple. And just try doing this. I will also take you to the, I have done the Excel. Okay, I did in the reverse order, 29th March. Before that, I'll do one thing. I'll open the Kite platform also, so that it will be easy. Yeah, 1 second. Okay. So I just logged in into my this one, and we'll go for this Nifty 50. Yeah. So I've been backtesting this for 1 month, and even doing paper trading. So I'll just we'll just see the performance of March month. Okay. So what I was saying, 29th was last. Yeah. So what I was telling you is, take the first 15 minutes candle. We are selecting 15 minutes candle. We can do it in any trading platform. There is nothing like you have to do in Zerodha itself. Okay, so what you do is keep alarm at 9:30 exactly, and then check out this 15 minutes candle which will be getting over at 9:30. If it is red, let me show you the values. Yeah, if it is red, then sell at the low value. So the low value is 11,607. So the same thing which I have taken in the Excel as well. So you can see that this is the sell side and this is the buy side. On 29th March it was 11,607, and then we bought it back at 11,620. I am leaving it till end of the day. So end of the day you can see that it has closed at 11,620.95. So this is the strategy all about. Now what about the stop loss? So in case if you are entering at the low, then the high is your stop loss. Very simple. So what you can do is place the bracket order. Okay, directly place the bracket order. Just see what's the difference between the high and the low. So in this case you can see that 11,629 is the high and 11,607 is the low. So 29 minus 7, 23 points is going to be your stop loss. Just place a bracket order of 23 point stop loss, and you will ask me that in bracket order you have to keep target. So target, keep a blind target of 200 points, so that till end of the day it will be open. Okay friends, clear? So we can see on that 29th we had a loss. So the same loss is taken as 13 points, and the profit is going to be the loss is going to be minus 9075, just multiplied by 75. Okay, so this is the strategy all about. It is working awesome. Yeah, I will give you one more example. I'll just show you. So you can see that the first candle on 28th was a green candle. So the high price is 11,486. So I have taken the same value. You can see that yes, 11,486 on 28th March, and then going end of the day it has closed at 11,570. I have taken the same thing, 11,570, profit of 84 points. 84 multiplied with 75, you can see 6,300. So this is what you have to do. Just blindly wait for the first candle to get over. If it is a green candle, just place the buy order. In case if it's a red candle, just place the sell order. Your stop loss also, target also is placed at 9:30. Nothing else to be done. And you can see the whole month of March has given us a profit of 8,925 rupees, and you can see that with an investment of just 35,000, because you know that to buy Nifty you just need 35,000 rupees. So you can see that with an investment of 35,000 rupees you are getting returns of close to 8,900, which is nothing but a return of 26%. It's good enough friends, you can just try it out. It's very simple as I have explained to you. If at all you have doubt, you can do paper trade, otherwise you can try it yourself. You can see that it is very easy, nothing much complicated. Yeah, so as I told you, the stop loss, the high and low of the candles are the stop loss. So in case if you are buying at the high, then the low is the stop loss. In case if you are selling it, then automatically the buy. For example, in this case you are buying it at 11,486, then your stop loss is 11,452. So you can minus this 486 minus 452, you will get the stop loss. Very simple, very clear. Okay, money management, you can keep 35,000 to 50,000 rupees as your investment capital. In case if there's any drawdown also, you will have the fund. So we'll stick it to 50,000 rupees. Okay, so keep it 50,000 rupees as an investment. So in case if you are going to keep investment of 50,000, then the returns also will change. Well, 18% also is not bad. In case if you take out the brokerages also, worst to waste 10% returns friends, it's not a bad figure. Just you are spending 2 minutes of your time, nothing else. Okay, so hope you like the strategy, and in case if you're watching the channel for the first time, don't forget to press the subscribe button. And in case if you want my backtested file or any support or any clarification, you can always WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. And also don't forget to join the Upstock link which is provided in the description of this video. You'll be getting 50% discounts on my trainings and other additional services. So any support, any doubt, you can always WhatsApp on my number. You have my number already, 8095876525. Thank you and have a nice day.